Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How-Tos. In this video, I will show you how to save one-time photo in WhatsApp. So for this video, we are going to recommend you three solutions that you could actually use to take photos of one-time photos in WhatsApp. So the first solution is we actually going to just suggest you to use another phone and take a photo of that actual image. When I go to WhatsApp, as you can see, when I open up this specific photo, it's only viewable one time. So when I go back into here, I can't open that photo again. It's really closed. So the other way you could do this is you could just take another phone and just take a picture of that photo if you know that photo is going to be very important to you. But if that's not the case, you don't have a spare phone to use for taking screenshots or taking photos, don't worry, because we have our second solution. So the second solution we could suggest you is to use the FamiGuard application for your phone. So for example, here you want to go ahead and open up or download FamiGuard from your Play Store. So FamiGuard is a free software that you could download, but this is a paid service if you want to use this long time. So here you just need to search from your Play Store FamiGuard, and from here you could just download it for free. So once you've downloaded it, you could just go ahead and open this one up. And from here, when we go to actually the Me section and under the Me tab here, and we go to click on the upgrade button here, as you can see, there's a monthly or yearly subscription for this one. So on a monthly basis, you're gonna pay $10. 3 months, it's around $20, and 1 year is almost like $50. So it's actually pretty cheap, but just in case you don't have the budget also to use FamiGuard, then I would suggest you to use another method that you could actually use for this one. It's actually free if you're going to think about it. So for this one, I'm just going to suggest you to use BlueStacks, because BlueStacks is an PC emulator that you could use to emulate your phone into your PC. So just search into your web browser here, BlueStacks. So here is the first result. Just click on the first link that you'll see, and as you can see, this is free. Just need to download this one. Just click on it and the .exe file will be automatically downloaded into your PC. So you just need to click on it. It's going to set up everything for you. There's no tweaking on settings. It's gonna set up a phone into your PC. It's really quick and easy. So once you've done that, you just need to open up BlueStacks, and it's going to give you this screen here that I'll be showing you. So here it is, the main screen for BlueStacks. As you can see, there are different things that you could do here. You could even play games if you like. So for you to actually install WhatsApp here, you just need to click on the Play Store here or under the App Center. So either ways is good. So first thing that you have to do here is you need to log in into your Google account. So once you've done that, just search for WhatsApp here. And here you just need to install this one, but since I already installed mine, I just need to open it. So once you've opened it, you need to log in into your account. Once logged in, you'll see your photos. So here, as you can see, I just need to open this one up. And from here, I just need to click on that photo. And as you can see, I can already see the photo. But how do I actually take a photo of this? So when we're actually using WhatsApp and on our phone, it's going to actually restrict all our movement. So screenshots or basically recording your screen is not available on WhatsApp. It's going to restrict that. But since we're using an emulator, those restrictions are actually non-existent. So here, just click on your search button here, and you could just simply click on the snipping tool, and you could just basically snip that photo, and you've just taken a screenshot of that one-time photo in WhatsApp. And that's basically it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you can use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.